Be here po kasi the last time I was here was in 2017 when I visited Angel and Ate Mariel and Tita Joy and Tita Leo here in Cebu. And I saw the old product center, and then last night on the way to dinner po, we passed by here, this new product center, and I'm just so excited for what's to come and what's in store for us in the following years. And I just want to say congratulations, of course, to Tita Joy and Tito Leo. And everyone, especially Angel, for being here every day to make sure that everything runs smoothly in the product center. So, thank you everyone for being here today, and palangga tamo tana.
Ikilig yun ang Pinoy Bisaya. Kinilig lahat ng mga Bisaya sa message ni Miss Patita. Palangga ka naman tanan! And now, to give her congratulatory message, let's give a big round of applause. First by the Plus, President and CEO, Miss Toyi Taktakan Tumpalan.
Okay. So, daghang salamat, Patita. Oh, hindi na patalo sa So, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan, Cebu. Maayong buntag po. Thank you so much for having us. Para ko kaninang yung atawag doon, yung mami na backstage, stage mother, na talagang, anyway, thank you, anak, for doing this. No, because Patita is good friends with Angel and Ate Mariel, so that nung nalaman ko pa that I'll be here to grace the blessing of the new center, I told Patita to be with me today. It's actually like a symbolism of what's in store for all of us for the future of Cebu, of the whole Visayas. Kasi po, it is already the second generation, I must say. In fact, Joy was telling me a while ago when we were sitting together na when Patita acknowledged Angel to be here when she's here every day to make sure that everything's okay, no? Si Joy, your mommy was telling me, and soon she'll be the product center owner. So, truly, I'm so proud of the two of you. So, I just would like to acknowledge, of course, Joy and Leo. Thank you so much for 17 years of being the product center owner of Cebu. And of course, Mariel, and then Kit is in Manila, and then Angel. Wow. Also, I'd like to thank, and I saw familiar faces. Gary is here, of Leyte. Bohol pala. Kathy is here of Leyte. Pasensya na po. And then, Liza is here. Okay, Liza. And then Larry. Ayun si Larry. And Shay. Okay, Elsie of Bohol Center. Okay, and then Fel of Ormoc. Okay, and then Jess is here also. Surprise din ako to see Ariel there, di ba? And all the familiar faces. Lisa is here. I was just with them last night. Sa Noyes night. Parang hindi ko na kayo nakilala. No, kasi last night, the rating was The Great Gatsby. Kaya when I walk in the ballroom, talaga naman, sabi ko, kung pwede lang, I'll have an advisory that lahat ng dealers, everyday nakaganon. Sabi ko, malayo pa lang mag-yes na kaaganon. Okay, so, again, thank you for making time to be with me and to be with the First Bypass family for this big move. Okay? That is all because of Angel.
Yes!
It is a better location, and I'm sure bigger and bigger things will be coming your way.
Yes!
Start today. In business, they say it's location, location, location. Tama po?
Yes!
But in First Vita Plus, we always say it's power, power, power! Iba po kasi eh. Iba what your smile brings.
Yes!
Iba po talaga whenever I'm here in Cebu, there's always pagbaba ko pa lang po ng eroplano, parang na-embrace na ako ng ng love of all of you. And just to see everyone smiling, you know, it's such a great motivation every day to wake up every single day and say, marami na namang buhay mababago ang First Vita.
Yes!
So as we see a very nice office, it is not just an office for all of us. It is our home.
Yes!
It feels like every time we're here, we're like, ito po yung safe space natin. Where we can express ourselves, where we can be who we are. Power.
Power!
Power na mga dealer ng First Vita Plus who's there for everyone to make a change. Di ba po?
Yes!
Hindi natin kakilala natin, kamag-anak natin, o hindi. But we make sure that when we wake up every morning, alam natin na meron tayong mayambag, meron tayong buhay na mababago dahil sa pag-isip natin sa bawat umaga. So this center will always be a reminder for all of us na whoever nagdadali natin dito, paglabas po ay bago ng buhay ang magkakaroon.
Yes!
That's why I'm so happy that Angel now is, ayoko pong sabihin taking over. Hindi po. But is already part of this whole journey natin po sa Cebu Product Center. I still remember 18 years ago, was it? No, 17 years ago exactly, when Joy and Leo came to my office. Okay, I never get tired of saying this story. Okay lang magmarites ngayon. Ang aga-aga, no? No, 17 years ago,